In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Throne and Liberty, FPS drops, lagging, freezing, and stuttering. So first off, you just have to search for can I run it? Make sure your requirements for your PC can be equivalent to the Throne and Liberty. So as you can see, you should search for Throne and Liberty. And can you run it? Just click that and it will give the minimum requirements of your computer. But if it doesn't connect or meet the requirements of the system requirements of Throne and Liberty, then that is why the Throne and Liberty FPS drops, lagging, and etc. And then the second method is just to turn on the game mode. As you can see, you just have to go to game mode settings and turn this on. And if you are like having so many chromes or many apps that would ruin your memory, just control alt delete. Now and then just click task manager. And then as you can see in here, when you have to see your memory up to 70% or 80%, I must recommend you to delete some of your apps in here, especially Chrome, for having more space in your memory. And the third method is just go to the graphic settings. Now once you are in the graphic settings, just browse the Throne and Liberty, and once you have browse, the Throne and Liberty would appear here, and just go to options. And once you are in this options category, you can see the high performance. Just click that and save, and that's it.